Downtown Naples, Florida is where we're at. About to be a lot nicer once we get done with this building, the Mark. So right now, we're finished with all the footers. Everything's up out of the ground. Just poured this stair tower here last week. And we've started going forward with our second floor shoring. So the slabs are all poured across the front end of it. That's section A and B. All of our columns are in place over here in section C, which is where we'll go to with shoring next. So we're making steady progress. We have all construction on site. They're taking care of putting in our shoring as well as doing our vertical formwork at this point. Our in-house crew, we're focused on maintaining access for everyone involved, also bringing in dirt and fill, miscellaneous areas on the job site. So as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward process of putting up shoring frames, followed by aluminum beams, followed by 3/4 inch topping on the deck. It's a very tight site. So daily we're manipulating materials and juggling our deliveries just to keep pace. Right now our primary access is coming off of US 41, even though our address is technically 8th. And as we're bringing in dirt to fill the inside of the stair towers and level it out in the back corner back there, then we're stockpiling it right here, moving it as needed. Now up here we've got section A is decked. We've got all of our masonry walls are laid out. Rod busters are up here beginning layout for the reinforcing. On site we've got some electricians up here, got a couple of plumbers. Again, these guys are all looking at installing sleeves to be ahead of the post tension wires. Got a pretty good bit of open ground up here. Well secured with handrails for this half of it until we get up to our caution tape. This is the live edge, so to speak. Beyond this point, everyone has to be tied off in safety harnesses or otherwise protected from falls. So we'll keep on working our way down that way into section B, section C to follow shortly thereafter. Again, the guys are, it's a tight squeeze every day. We're manipulating stuff, but it's moving along steadily. So we'll check back in with you in a couple of weeks.